Oh no, my poor Squishy. What am I supposed to do now?
Watch out!
Huh?
Sue, look at that cute little puppy. Let's get one. Pretty, please?
It's not a puppy, Sammy. It's a capybara.
A cappy? What?
Capybara. Here, let me show you.
Susie, they are so cute.
I know. We can visit those little cuties at the zoo sometime.
Wait. Can't we keep them at home? Oh, no.
Enough drama for today. We can make our own capybara.
Will I ever see you? What? We can make a capybara? Really?
Well, a capybara squish.
Are you serious? Oh, my tibidaba. This is the best day ever. I'll get the paper. Why does paper have to be so heavy? Uh-oh.
Oh, Sammy, be careful. I guess this piece of paper will do.
Make way for the master artist. I'm gonna draw the best capybara ever. You'll see. Good job, my pencil friend. And if someone says otherwise, they just don't get the true art. Sue, why aren't you looking? I did great, huh? It's alive. Aren't you a cutie? Hey, wait a second. What are you looking at? No. Don't even think about that, buddy. It's my pencil. Bad kitty.
It looks like Sammy has made a new friend. But we still need that drawing of a capybara.
I lost him, so draw the eyes over here, Sue.
Okay, I'm on it. I see you still have your pencil.
Yeah, but he almost got me. Hey! Hold on! Why are we running at all?
You drew me. I thought you wanted to play together.
Oh, I was drawing a capybara.
So you don't like me?
No, I do. Want to see my full pencil collection?
Of course.
All right, our capybara is done. But let's make it bright.
Here, let me help you with that. Voila!
Wow, great job, Sammy. Now, to the coloring. Try to stay inside the lines, Sammy.
Wait a minute, Sue. This capybara is gonna live here with us, right?
Sure, Sammy. Why?
What do you mean? Why? We have to start the preparations right now. We have no time left. Now that we have a capybara living with us, I must understand capybaras. I have to understand how they think, how they act, how they spend their day. I must become a capybara.
Wow, that's the spirit. I always appreciate your enthusiasm, Sammy.
Sue, did you know that the capybara is the largest rodent in the world? These animals are even bigger than some dogs. Can you believe it?
You don't say. And I always thought they were as tiny as you are. Or was I thinking that about guinea pigs?
They may be tiny, but my super creative power knows no bounds.
That's true. By the way, get me some tape, please.
Oh, holy cannoli! These capybaras really know how to relax. Did you know that capybaras love to swim? Their noses and ears let them breathe with their heads just above the water. Amazing! I almost feel like a capybara.
Sammy, you were supposed to get me the tape.
Oopsie. Sorry, Sue. I got too carried away.
I get that you love capybaras, but that's still no reason to slack off. And that's it. Great. Now we need to carefully cut it out. Don't forget to leave a small margin. Now let's do the back piece.
I got this one, Sue. Trust me. See? I've already gotten into the capybara vibe, so don't worry. Well, did I do great or what?
Sam, are you sure this is a capybara?
What? How? Why? Ugh, come on!
Oh, don't be upset. I can fix things in no time. We only need more paper. Now to the cutting. The main thing here is not to rush, friends. See? That's why we needed those margins. And done! Now, where did I put the paws?
Hey, Susie, look what I found over there!
Why, thank you. Your help is always right on time, Sammy. Now, to attach them to our capybara, we need some double-sided scotch tape. Here it goes. By the way, how's your plan to become a capybara expert going?
Great! Right now I'm learning Cappy humor for my Cappy jokes. Oh, this one's good! What do capybaras do when they get together?
Well, dunno.
They hold positive meetings by the water. Got it, Sue? Positive, like a paw.
Okay, that's a good one. But let's get back to craft. Could you fold this paper for me?
Hilarious. Oh, sure. 1 capybara, 2 capybaras, 3 capybaras, 4 capybaras.
Whoa, Sammy. You can stop there.
But why?
We only need to fold it 3 times. These will be the side pieces of our squish. We need to color them to make sure there are no gaps. Here comes the tape again. And voila! Looking good, isn't it?
Step aside, Sue. It's my cue. Capybara powers. Activate.
Wow! Thanks for the assist. Oh, I wish I had capybara powers too. Okay, next, we're gonna need some filling.
Also, it says here that capybaras are known for their friendliness. They can be seen lounging alongside crocodiles, birds, and even dogs. Oh, just look at that one. They are really cute. You needed the filler, right? What are you doing? Hey!
Guys, I needed that. Fine. This can also become the filling for that heart. All we need to do is cut this plastic bag into pieces, and it will be just as good as a synthesizer. Sammy, where are you? I need some tape again.
Untie me, you!
No!
Hey, wait! Sue, help me!
Hold on. Hey, it's not the tape I asked for.
What? Sue! Wait! Are you kidding me?
Yep, it was just a prank.
I think I'd better go continue my capybara studies.
Sammy, where are you? Come on, are you still pouting? Oh, where could he have gone? Sammy, are you sleeping? Let me see.
What do you call a capybara? Who can sing? A Capioke star.
It says that capybaras sleep about 10 hours a day and often rest during the day by sunbathing. Oh, Sammy is right. They are very cute. So that's why Sammy is so sleepy.
Huh? What? I wasn't asleep! So where were we?
Anyway, it's time to put all the pieces of our capybara together.
Do you need any help, Sue?
Thanks, but I can take it from here.
Are you done yet?
Not really. I'm in the process.
Waiting is so boring.
Patience, Sammy. I'm almost done. Now, we need synthesizer.
You're finally done? It's been so long. I've grown old.
Oh, don't be dramatic. Let's not spare the synthesizer to make our squish super soft and nice to the touch. Okay, that's enough.
Let me check it out. Wow! It turned out great.
So, we're done with the main part. But where's our little heart?
Come on. I need to know how to feed my capybara. Oh, there it is. Capybaras are herbivores that need about 3.5 kilograms of grass daily. They also enjoy fruits and vegetables like carrots and pumpkins. Pumpkin and grass? Ooh, yuck! It can't be! On the other hand, for my capybara friend, I could happily live on a diet of carrots and pumpkins, though. Besides, the more veggies I eat, the more candy I have left. I'm a genius!
Hey, Sammy, have you seen the capybara heart we made? I can't find it.
I'm sorry, Sammy. I just wanted to be your friend, too.
Oh, you again!
Yeah, so here it is.
Why, thank you, Kitty.
So you want to be friends? You can have my candy.
Gotcha. See you next time, loser. Haha.
My candy! No! Come back, you!
Oh, what a drama. But it's for the best, right? I mean, you've already decided to switch to a diet of carrots and pumpkins anyway. And our amazing capybara squish is complete. Oh, what an adorable little capybara we got.
Well, hello, little buddy. You even smell like a real capybara. First, we need to feed our capybara properly. We know you love carrots, so Chef Sam will cook you one right away. Now, where do I start?
Sam?
What?
Are you gonna cut it with a rolling pin?
Oh, you're right. We need a knife.
Wait. The knife is not needed. I've got everything ready.
Wow, yum!
Now that you're full, we can play.
Yay!
Oh, buddy, you are so soft and squishy. I bet we can even swim together this way. That would be fun.
Phew, that was fun. You know so much about capybaras.
Well, of course. I studied up.
Really? Then I have something for you. Here, this is for you for being a true capybara expert.
Really? That's all I ever wanted. Hey, Sue, check this out.
Wow, Sammy, well done. You really deserve it.
Now I want to make more squishes like that, learn about animals, and win medals.
Friends, I hope you enjoyed learning new facts about capybaras.
Don't forget to give us thumbs ups and subscribe.